headlines. Minister T.H. Radheshyam urges teachers to put best efforts. Manipur refused to budge in ministry reshuffle. And Manipur experiences sudden drop in temperature. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam inaugurated a newly constructed administrative block and 10 classroom of Kakching Higher Secondary School located at Kakching Phoksupatlaikai, Kakching today. Besides Radheshyam, the function was attended by Kakching MLA Yengkhom Surchandra and Wawagai MLA Muhammad Fazur Rahim. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam stressed on the role of teachers in guiding students in the right direction. He urged the teachers to put best efforts to make students successful in their future endeavor. He stated that teachers should not rebuke students for bad performance. They should rather console them with words of encouragement.
Something is wrong somewhere. Education educate training karate training training education system is any situation, any weather, any road condition all weather situation relevant quality education provide.
With a section of MLAs refusing to bus, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh is likely to rush to New Delhi to meet central leaders over the demand raised by the rebel MLAs for a ministry reshuffle. The rebel MLAs demand a reshuffle of the Council of Ministers of the current BJP-led coalition government. They demand that some of the incumbent ministers should be dropped to induct some of the MLAs supporting the BJP-led government into the Council of Ministers. The MLAs have made it clear they would not move. Manipur is experiencing a sudden drop in temperature. The state recorded 2.2 degrees Celsius yesterday. Meanwhile, most part of the North India continue to reel under cold wave conditions. In the past 24 hours, temperature in the national capital Delhi and adjoining areas have fallen by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, media reports said. Biting cold continues to sweep Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Leh. In Jammu and Kashmir, the 40-day period of extreme cold, known as July Kalan, continues since December 21. The entire Ladakh region is also reeling sub-zero temperatures. In Rajasthan, the severe cold wave has disrupted normal life. Road and rail traffic have also been affected due to dense fog. The Met Office said cold conditions with dense fog are likely to prevail over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar during the next 5 days. Celebrating party's 52nd Foundation Day, Manipur People's Party MPP, the oldest regional political party in Manipur today, pledged for active involvement in handling issues of concern for the state. The anniversary celebration was held at the party office, Imphal. On the occasion, MPP President Oinam Jogindro said the party, since its inception, has been taking an active role in dealing with different issues of the state. He cited about the dragging borders issue and said that MPP will continue to fight for the cause of the state.
मणिपुर आर्म फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर एक लौथोक्तन लेरी सिगुम्बा कया मणिपुर की खुनाइदा अखोइना निंगबा थुंगना लाकपा भारत सरकार गा अखोइगा मतमदा मणिपुर अखोइना भारत सरकार दा यावा मतमदा अखोइगी मणिपुर लेरो प्रजा सिंग तंगदु लेताना मणिपुर भारत की सिटीजन अमोइना फंगम थोकपा राइट सिंग दो मदु चप चाना फंगनी हाबिगी अखोइना मणिपुर की प्रजा की तोगदबा.
Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, CPI strongly condemns RSS BJP goons attack on party state headquarters in Bangalore.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646. Young what?
Soktabadu Ludi.
Wabdo Kongnava Rebalance.
Soktabadu Kongnava Rebalance. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi energy. Rebalance.
Chasingi Marakta, Miyam Kangaraba, Gambhiras, Valley Strong City. Anoba Chagi Mana Sing the Gisaba, Asingba Amadi Mahau Leraba, Valley Strong Tea Asibu, Mahau Lobi Navagidamak, Nasimak Lebiu, Anoba Technica, Sizin Aduna Simzariba, Gambhiras, Valley Strong City. City asi gram chama chani yangkai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari. Cha asigi mahau lobi na bagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City. Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawasa Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available. Digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513143 or 700517235.
Kurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa maro gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitya Natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekhoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Lorembam Enterprises Makal Kayagi furniture items Pangbiragani Maruina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asina chingbani. Furniture item Malaybada Chada Tara Mangadagi Kun Fauba discount Pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year Gidamak Akanabo offer soup Pijari. Mattress Pambiba Singna Slipwell Moirang Komdagi Lobi Biagani. Akopamorol Gidamak Lengsin Birau Lorembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipur University. Akogi contact number 97741 32867 Natraga 8787675251. Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampad Kaisam Laikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pung Kunmari Chupna Miyam gi Seba Taugzari. Ambulance Service Asina Miyam the Pizariba Servicing the Yumdagi Hospital da Pukhatpa, Hospital dagi Yumda Puthaba, Hospital Amadagi Hospital Amada Puba, Yumthang Nariba State Sing the Anaba Sing Puba Amadi Loba, Luinana, India gi Mafang Kudimakta Chatpayaraba, Air Ambulance ki Service Asina Chingmani. Masida natana lambigi accidenta lemna hotel da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjeri adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 920598 7988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Medellin F download to.
Lagliba December 18 January Manga Fauba Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 Pangthokjaragani. District ke package oina lobi bagi khudong chabusu lejari. Trekking, camping, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktan natana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yawgadawi. Festival asida saruk yanabagidama contact view 7005627984 natraga 7005165120. Lagliba December Kunipan Thangja Numita Private Sports Academy na sinduna Football Sanari Singi Selection Test Pangthok Jaragani. Ayuk pung tere taba matamda Loktak Project Football Ground da Pangthok Jagadariba Selection Test asida saruk yabiningba nupa amadi nupi sanari singna isagi Aadhaar Card natraga Birth Certificate amadi Passport Size Photo ani pubiraktuna yawbirawi yagani. Selection Test asi under 12 years, under 14 years, under 16 years amadi above 18 years haina tongan ba category da Pangthok Jagani. Chahi tara nipan mathaki category gi oina khallaba sanari singda thagi lupa lising manga dagi kuntra phawa pigani. Akoba moral gidama contact view Private Sports Academy Guwahati. Contact number 93830-98641 natraga 8730927492 natraga 600-936-8876 da contact view.
Welcome back. The Communist Party of India (CPI) has strongly condemned the RSF goons' attack on party state headquarters in Bengaluru yesterday, as well as continuing detention of party leaders, especially in Manipur and Uttar Pradesh. A press release from CPI Central Office appeals to all party units to protest peacefully and expose the dubious, divisive, violent and desperate attacks on the party comrades and general public, especially youth and students. BSNL consumers in Moretown are upset over non-functioning of new generation network NGN, which was installed a month back. The upgraded NGN has been installed to enhance internet service in the town bordering Myanmar. But the Kolkata BSNL headquarters is yet to activate the internet service till date, leaving consumers disappointed. Chairperson of Wangoi Municipal Council, Longjam Iboton, has said that money for beneficiaries of housing for all has been deposited in their respective bank accounts and that all confusion in this regard has been clear. He was briefing the media at Manipur Press Club in Fall today. Iboton said that deposits have been released for 90% of the total 167 beneficiaries and the remaining 10% will be deposited soon. Iboton accused former chairperson of the council of misusing over rupees 14 lakh meant for the housing scheme.
Singdo kamnanaba sigi form singsi lobiu lorga nogi pesa do kamnanu to hai porse siri hanama mangna pari go siri longjam babitana haibite sigi porsina manum moreka housing foringi pesa kapi dare 2016 17 sigi mamang sida kaki pesa sing already kapi ba housing foringi pesa lana kapre housing foringi kapi pesa ma to karamna kapi no hai porse bin sisingna mai ki pesa kapi ba pesa do ai di phange haidra domda nungai ba satki pe pot matungina hariba housing foring ki pesa sima to karamna kapi na poto koi kan thigate maram je thigat piu to bodu asoi polam de lai soi ge pot se lai re lai pot se soi ni lan ha pot se.
All Manipur Madrasa Modernization Teachers Welfare Union has refuted the accusation by Muslim Students Union Manipur. They along that regular teachers of WAQF board collected a large amount of money and pocketed. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club in Fall today, General Secretary of the Union Aslam Khan said that the allegations labeled against the regular teachers are baseless and unfounded.
Ojasing image of Yaba of Hamsing, media the Ponto Pira Kanu Karigamba, Mashi Matungda, Ponto Pira Pataba, Lana Prachato Pataravati, Ojagi Uniona, Domina Kakleroy, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯒ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Phungya legislator K. Laishio pitched for providing MLA local area development fund on the basis of topographical features. Laishio was extending assistance to villages under Phungya in connection with Christmas celebration yesterday. On the sidelines, the legislator also claimed that the MLA local area development fund has failed to satisfy the people in the hill areas. The Naga People's Front NPF legislator appealed to the centre to extend help to enable his constituency move ahead by bringing development in the fields of connectivity, water supply and power.
Coming 2020, they are going lambi. Hand the lambi tawani, lambi si honagani, lambi si ujipo si kakat pa si lambi main road te kakat pa lambi phajabwali black top oidri. Si kun mayam si black top taw na honagani adu ising thakngai leite. Maru na ising si hana tawani si program si sarkar da pressure tawani.
Imphal East and Imphal West Police Commando arrested 4 cadres of 2 underground groups in separate counterinsurgency operations. According to Imphal West Police, a woman cadre of Pripak Pro was arrested by a team of District Commando in operation. She has been identified as Ning Thozam Ningol Thingbaijam Ongbi Memicha Allies Laijing Lembi Devi, aged 36 years, wife of T.H. Erozit Singh of Lairik Yangbam Laikai. She joined the outfit in 2008. She has been handed over to Haingang Police Station where a case has been registered against her. Separately, 3 cadres of KCP Noyon were arrested by a team of Imphal East Police Commando during operation. The 75th edition of Celebrating Merry Christmas 2019 at Rongdai Baptist Church RBC came to an end today at the Christmas Hall of the RBC Church Complex, Noni, Longmai District. Hundreds of devotees attended the closing day of Christmas celebration and prayed for peace, love and prosperity. Gospel sermon on the life of Jesus and his ministry on earth was delivered to the audience by Christmas last day morning devotion speaker Dr. Kwan Leo Gangmei. Special song, choreography, reading Bible, scriptures and other entertainment items were the main highlights that marked the concluding day of Christmas celebration. The annular solar eclipse, the last one for the decade, began at around 8 a.m. this morning and lasted till about 11:15 a.m. Often referred to as the Ring of Fire, the solar eclipse or Surya Grahan was initially visible as a partial eclipse and was viewed first from Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. In India, the rare celestial spectacle was first viewed from Charvathur in Kerala. People from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu were also able to see the annular solar eclipse, while the rest of the country could see a partial solar eclipse. The annular solar eclipse was visible from 9:04 a.m. The maximum eclipse was visible at around 10:47 a.m. The full eclipse was seen at the last location at the Pacific Oceans, Guam at 12:30 p.m. in India. The maximum duration of the annular solar eclipse was just over 3 minutes. And now we have another short commercial breaks to stay tuned for more updates.
Khanghanjaba Thasigi Kunipanda Uripok Kangchup Road Auto Mega Diesel Association Ukram Daling Khatkibagi Tarahumdoirok Suba Foundation Degi Thoram Pangthok Jargani Masiga Mari Lenana Association Asina Service Tauriba Tauthong Tharoijam Lairen Kabi Sanjenbam Tera Urak Kadangban Kharam Baithel Mayang Langjing Fumlau Mana Inkol Laingam Khul Akham Kwak Sifai, Lamsang, Lairen Sajik Amadi Kautruk ki oina, Numit Asida, Gari Vara Laudana, Miyamgi Seva Taujaragani. Maram Aduna Association Asigi Driver Singna, Numit Asida, Miyamgi Seva Mapung Fana Taubangam Naba Corporation PBO Hainaning Singjari. Kanghan Jariba Salaingamba Laishram, Secretary General Ukramda.
Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Porompat opposite Doordasan Kendra Imphal, recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020 for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Porompat opposite Doordasan Kendra Imphal.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changne na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12th exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
SV Gadwell School, Hautal Thangjam Khuro, Imphal East Pangai Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself, on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Dakshila Imphal branch at Dakshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Adongi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oitre. Subnatagi lupa lising ani chamwa piba Vedlock Hairipa Vehicle Anti-Theft Lock asina irai lain ngakthok pangamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution, Friends Colony, Mantripukri, Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 7005117881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open. Timing 7 AM to 4 PM.
Welcome back. The Border Security Force BSF recovered arms and grenade launchers from a house in Aizawl, the state capital of Mizoram. It is suspected that the arms were dumped by Myanmarese rebels. According to media reports, the BSF recovered the arms and ammunition from a house on Tuesday during a regular patrolling in an area within Aizawl. The operation was carried by 61 Battalion. According to a BSF statement, the arms recovered included 6 M16 rifles, 3 AK-47, 1 SLR rifle and 1 G3 rifle, a 9mm pistol, 2 claymore mines and an underbarrel grenade launchers. The BSF Jawans also recovered rupees 1,19,100 Ks from the house, which is just 5 km from the international border with Myanmar. The BSF claimed that the arms and grenade launchers might have been dumped by the Arakan Liberation Army, a rebel group in the western state of Rakhine in Myanmar. A typhoon that swept across remote villages and popular tourist areas of the central Philippines on Christmas Day claimed at least 16 lives, according to a report. Typhoon Phanphone, with winds of 195 km (120 miles) an hour, tore a roof of houses and toppled electric posts as it cuts across the Philippines yesterday. With the internet and mobile phone networks still cut off in some badly damaged areas, a full assessment of Phanphone damage was not immediately possible this morning, but at least 16 people had been confirmed killed in villages and towns in the Visayas, the central third of the Philippines, a media report said. The day after Christmas, December 26, is celebrated as Boxing Day. Boxing Day is celebrated in most of the Christian-dominated states of the Northeast. Boxing Day got its name when Queen Victoria was on the throne in the 1800s and has nothing to do with the sports of the boxing. The name comes from a time when the rich used to box up gift to the poor. Boxing Day was traditionally a day off for servants and a day when they receive a special Christmas box from their master. The servants would also go home on Boxing Day to give Christmas boxes to their families. Churches also have a special role on Boxing Day. And now we have the sports news. The first DFAU 15th District Football Tournament organized by District Football Association, DFA Moirang, has begun today at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground. The opening match played between YSUC and SDOP ended in a draw, while Nasha defeated Idol by 2-1 in the second match today. Indian tennis ace Leander Paes has announced that 2020 will be his last year as a professional tennis player. The 46-year-old will bid adieu to the sport after next season. Leander announced on Twitter that he will be picking and choosing tournament next year to meet his fans all around the world, according to a report. Leander, who made his Olympic debut in 1992, will look for a final flourish at Tokyo Olympics next year. The Indian has made 7 appearances in a row at the Olympics, making him the only tennis player ever to do so. Paes has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles. India captain Virat Kohli has been named in the Cricketers of the Decade list alongside 4 others by the Wisden Cricketers Almanac. Apart from Kohli, South African duo of Delesteen and Abde Villiers, Australia's Steve Smith and women's all-rounder Alice Perry also found a place in the list of 5 cricketers of the decade. Kohli, who has scored 5,775 more international runs than anyone else in the last 10 years, has arguably been the best batsman over the last decade. The 31-year-old Indian was named captain of the Wisden Test team of the decade, while also featuring in the ODI 11. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Minister T.H. Radhesham urges teachers to put best efforts. Rebel MLAs in Manipur refuse to budge in ministry reshuffle. And Manipur experiences sudden drop in temperature. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.